chronic knee pain, you want to increase the oxygen to your knee for faster recovery. So what does that mean? When you have chronic knee pain, I'm not talking about acute, I'm talking about chronic. You've had it for years, right? You have chronic inflammation, which basically means retention of waste. Retention of waste is like if you don't poop for 1 month, how are you gonna feel? Well, that's what your knee feels. That's why your knee aches. That's why it hurts, because your knee ain't pooping, right? So how do you help it poop? Well, you decrease inflammation and you increase oxygen through your blood circulation. So you want to use something like this, a scraping tool. This is a scraper. We call it gua sha. And you want to scrape and you want to oxygenate, move the blood to your knee. Move it up, down, all around, okay? By increasing blood circulation to your knee, you oxygenate, you bring new oxygen, new nutrition to the knee to heal, and you also help it poop and eliminate the waste. Make sure you follow me here on TikTok.
Primarily, I had bursitis in my right knee and hip problem and sciatic nerve. But at one point, I asked Jim if they ever did anything for kidney problems. And he said, well, yes, we cannot stop it, but we can try and slow it down. And so I was diagnosed by my nephrologist as having a stage 2 kidney disease. And after coming here for, I would say 6 months it's been now, I had an appointment with my nephrologist, and he informed me that he was knocking me down to mild because my reports, my blood test and my urinalysis came out unbelievably good. And so he said, your kidneys will never be perfect, but whatever you're doing, keep doing it. I would recommend it to everybody, and especially everyone that is open to it, because I think that that's a very important part of the process. If you don't believe in it, it's not going to happen.
People over 80, this is how you can exercise while staying seated in a seat, okay? Whether you can't get on your legs, you can't get on your, your knees, your joints hurts, or whatever. This is a way you can exercise while sitting. You want to find a stool like this, you feet flat on the floor, and legs about this shoulder width apart, okay? You know how you see, I call this the Tai Chi slap, Tai Chi slap. You know how you see on TV, people go like this, and they go slow? Well, you're going to go bring it up, and just let your arms drop, okay? Bring it up, let your arms drop. This is the beginner phase, okay? Do this for 15 minutes every day, okay? In more advanced, you're gonna bring it up and you're gonna slap it. Bring it up, slap it. Bring it up, slap it. You do this for 15 minutes. This is more advanced. If you have shoulder issues, obviously don't be slapping it. You can just bring it up and just let it drop, okay? Do this Tai Chi slap, 15 minutes. If you can get up to 20 minutes, even better. It can stimulate all the blood circulation, all right? Make sure you follow my YouTube channel.